Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Kyra. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look here using the Love Palette by Natasha Denona. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. Today I'm going to be doing a look using the Natasha Denona Love Palette. Here is what she looks like. I think I'm gonna do a more purple look, but I really want to use this silver here. So I really want to use that. Oh, look at it. I'm gonna go in quite dark first. So using this shade Trust, I'm gonna pop that in my crease. I'm gonna get a slightly more tapered brush and wing it out a little bit. So same shade Trust, but wing it out.
Opposites attract, I guess they're right, 'cause we are just like night and day, and that is fine by me. 'Cause I wouldn't wanna change a single thing, baby. You're perfect to me.
Then using the shade Soul, I'm just gonna go just above where I put that shade.
Return to each other. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You drive me so mad too easily. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has.
Gonna just blend it out with the shade first. Now using this brush, I'm gonna go into the shade Dream. Grabbing my Jouer 231. Gonna go into the shade Commitment.
You've been staring since I came in. I know you wanna get to know me. But honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that your head over heels, but don't come any closer.
This one, pencil brush, the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH38. Gonna take the shade Pure Love and just tap that makeup.
Boom, boom, boom. I'll knock you down like boom, 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 boom.
And now for that silver shade. We'll see how it goes on before I wet it. That does not need wetting, right?
No man by our sides. Crystal clear that your head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear.
Cool. Now I'm just gonna go back over the crease with that shade Commitment.
Put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I'll knock you down like.
Then the shade Dream.
Knock you down like boom, 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 boom.
And that shade soul. Okay, pure love. Tap it back down. Blend it in with that silver shade. Onto the other eye.
Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Knock you down like boom, 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 boom,
So here's what we've got so far. Now on a Spectrum pencil brush, I'm going to get the shade Soul and run that along my lower lash line. On another pencil brush, I'm going to use the shade Transparent and pop that on the inner corners. That is the eyeshadow portion done. Now I'm going to add eyeliner, lashes, So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is part 2 of my Natasha Denona collection. So I've got 2 more palettes to show you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!